Hi guys, thank you for visiting my channel. So today we will be making Cabachon images. You will need cardstock or photo paper, a printer, design space, a cutting machine, or you can freehand cut your images. So once we upload our background image into Design Space, we are going to crop our background image with the shape of our cabochon. And we're going to continue this process over and over until we get the desired amount of images that we want. Some of the backgrounds have multiple areas that you can duplicate your image. You're just going to continue to crop it out to whatever you like. Once you have completed cutting out all of your cabochon backgrounds, you're going to start adding your text. You can also use PNGs that you have uploaded into your software. You can create your own PNGs or just letters and just add them to your cabochon the way you like them, as you see that I'm doing here. I'm just creating a simple word. I'm going to alter it a little bit, and then I am going to move on. You'll see me kind of playing around with the wording, the coloring and everything, because you have to get it just right so it'll show up on your background. Some of the images that I did not show up, but I redid them. But it's all up to you. Just play around with it, have fun with it. So for your images and print and cut, you want to make sure that you group, attach, and what is it? Flatten. Yeah, group, attach, and flatten so that your words won't print up without the background image. I know it's simple, but I forgot and I had to go back and do everything over. This is a tedious process, but at the end of the day, I really like the way that it turned out. So don't forget to group, attach, and flatten. So you won't have the headache that I had, because I was just trying to get the images and the words on there, but I probably didn't show y'all everything that you needed to do to make sure that you don't have words that's just printing up by themselves. The Cabachon size is 25 millimeters. So what we're going to do is size this image to 0.984, which means it will fit down inside the tray of the Cabachon. Alright guys, so all you have to do is send your images to the printer to be printed and then send them to the machine to be cut. Make sure your calibration is right on your machine, and then there you go. You have your Cabachon images. So thank you for visiting my channel. I appreciate you guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Thank you, and you have a blessed day. Hi guys, thank you for visiting my channel. So today we will be making Cabachon images. So what you will need would be cardstock, photo paper, printer, a cutting machine, and this